So for the past few years, which is about 3 to 4 years, I have been dedicating myself regarding to the Mount Walker group. Okay, so what's been going on is that I've been literally building a business from scratch, as well as multiple businesses that I own even physically in Johannesburg. So that's the reason why, as to I haven't had so much time and power to generate my all onto YouTube in terms of my physical face, because I do have faceless channels that I run in terms of tech information and tech advice regarding to AI. Okay, so those are just faceless channels that I run, which have been running for almost 3 years, and they're doing quite successful. So that's the reason why I'm hardly here, but it doesn't mean, guys, I don't want to be here. Okay, so from August, I am going to be posting twice a week in order for us to actually get you to another level in terms of business and AI. And I want you to trust me about AI, guys. A lot of y'all that probably have been watching on the news that you're going to be losing your jobs and everything. Let me tell you something. I'm your plan B, okay? Whereby I'm going to make sure that you are sustained financially with AI. Okay, now I am Edlin Motsamai, for those who don't know me and are new and are subscribing to my channel. Hello, I actually own the Mount Walker Group, which is 100% AI generated business worldwide, as well as I also own several businesses in Johannesburg, and I've got 26 years in business experience. Now, if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you're most highly welcome to. Please go and do that for me, as well as you can also check me out on my podcast, which is Let's Fix It by Edlin Motsamai on iHeartRadio, whereby we talk with Avery D from Chicago, Illinois, about the problems that we are facing regarding to relationships and intimacy. Another thing is that, guys, I've got many divisions inside this business because I run with chatbots. Okay, so therefore I'm also going to teach you all how to actually create an agentic bot or chatbots in order for them to actually control your business, so that you don't have to always be on your laptop checking what's going on with your business. Okay, they're going to be sending you messages and putting things for you. Okay, now another thing is that, guys, you can please kindly check out the link regarding to my description of my YouTube channel. That's my digital products, whereby it's about ebooks and stuff. Please do not mind the sounds outside. I'm actually in the garage, so therefore I'm in the townships of Johannesburg. I'm in Soweto, so there's a lot of noise you're going to hear at the background. So don't think I am just in a crazy place. Okay, so there's a lot of noise right now. Okay, so another thing is I have designed 2 apps whereby it's going to assist you. It's the Mount Walker Group app. I've actually changed it completely, whereby it suits your needs as a business owner in AI, so that the AI bot can actually assist you to make money quicker whenever I cannot videorize, which is going to be twice a week every month. Okay, so another thing is that I've got another second one, which is an app called Elite Chat, whereby I actually assist with my chatbots to assist you regarding to your relationship and intimacy issues. And trust me, guys, it works. Okay, and it's designed by me. All right, you can check out the link there in the comment section regarding to my apps. Now, guys, I'm gonna cut to the chase as to why I'm doing this video today. Okay, I'm tired of doing the advertisements. All right, for now. All right, I have been seeing and I've been noticing a lot of YouTubers or whatnot. I'm not slandering anyone, okay? But they have been telling you as to how to actually run a business regarding to get rich quick schemes or whatnot. Okay, let me be honest with you guys. That's not the truth, okay? The truth is, when it comes to business, I've been 26 years in the game, physical, industrial, chemical. I've done everything, diamonds, gold. I've done modeling industry, beauty, makeup, even now down to online. I've been doing it for 4 years. Let me be honest with you, it doesn't come easy. So what they're saying to say you can get rich quick, it's a lie. It's a pure lie. So I'm going to teach you today the truth that's going to take some time. If you are not having no money right now and want to start an online business, this video is for you. Okay, now firstly, when I was back in 2023 and I had no money, I started a print on demand business, which was 2 businesses. I started very small at first. These two print on demand businesses, it took me 5 to 6 months to even get a sale. It was the zero, okay? So I'm going to show you a free way, but the free way is longer. But if you have $1 or so, you can use, Build My Store with AI and AutoDS as well as Shopify. Now, if you want to start a Shopify store, my link is in the comment section as well as description, whereby it's from me. It's a link from me, so you can know that I'm also using Shopify. I've got 15 stores there, so therefore you can use it that way. But it costs money though that way. It's $1, but I'm giving it to people that are really poor and really want to start online business, this information. Okay, now this is how I started. I started with Printify or Printful. Okay, I had two. Okay, so I wanted to see if this thing works. So what I did is that I also made sure that I opened a big cartel e-commerce store. Reason why with big cartel, it's free of charge, and then they charge you via how much percentage of, like, say for instance, the product that comes through. Okay, so say for instance you make a sale today, they're going to charge a certain percentage, similar like Gumroad as well as Payhip as well as Beacons.io. Okay, it's the same thing. So what will happen is that every time somebody buys something from you, then therefore it actually assists you they actually assist themselves, to take commission from you. Okay, so at least you can start 100% free. Okay, so it's Printful as well as Printify, and therefore you can use Big Cartel or Woo e-commerce. But another one you can also use here, I actually wrote it, a Spreadshop. Now, the reason why, it's because they also take a percentage from you. It's free of charge. So what you're going to do is, I'm going to teach you as to what you're going to do as a person with no money, okay? And you poor as shit, and I'm going to make you rich today. 5 months, it'll take even maybe a year whilst you're trying to get a job. I don't know, but I don't know how long it's going to take for you, but I'm telling you it does work, because my first $2,000 came from this, okay? First you're going to do is that you're going to ask ChatGPT, DALL-E, or you're going to ask Claude for, a niche that is the highest trending niche on Google as well as Pinterest. You're going to go on Pinterest and you're going to check the trends, okay? What you're going to do is that you're going to create prints with Canva or Leonardo AI, or it's either, I'm trying to think, Google Nano Banana as well. You're going to go and you're going to make these nice prints, high quality prints, and then you're going to sell them online on Printify. Okay, what you're going to do is that when you are making your mockups, please make sure that you also scale them the right way with the high quality with Adobe Firefly. Okay, now what happens is, if you don't want to use Adobe Firefly, you can also use Adobe Illustrator. It's up to you, but you have to make sure that it's high quality prints, because they're going to print it out on a t-shirt. Okay, when you are choosing your wholesalers for the t-shirts, please make sure that if you are going to be going for local, okay, you cannot use Printify. Okay, if you are a local person for South Africa, all right, you can actually use Wonderprint or Smashprint, because they deal with Johannesburg wholesalers. So it's free of charge for you to start, but they're going to take commission. All right, so what's going to happen is that you are going to use that channel if you want to start small with Johannesburg only. But if, like, say for instance, you don't want to only do Johannesburg and South Africa, it's fine. You can do Printful the way I did in Big Cartel, but you're going to have to limit your site, how can I say, I'm saying side now, your target market. All right, you need to limit it to US, UK, Europe. Okay, only in the Euro sector as well as US. You know the reason why? The wholesalers, they can actually accommodate to your fees, okay, especially when it comes to commission. You're going to have to check which wholesaler is the cheapest. I do not know which one you're going to choose, but therefore they're going to give you your own wholesalers to choose from, and it's going to be a lot of variety of which one you want to choose. Okay, so you are going to start making money like that, but you're going to use, listen to me carefully guys, you are going to be using these following places to make this money. Okay, Pinterest is free of charge. You're going to make a search engine, a search engine topic whereby it's trending, and therefore you're going to make your pins that are going to be connected to your what you call print and demand business. All right. So therefore, when they see the t-shirt, the picture, wow, 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 they're gonna buy it from you like that online. But it's gonna take time because SEO engines, you're gonna have to check regarding to chat GPT, which one is the best, or Claude. Okay. So what you are going to do now is that you are also going to be using either I'm going to give you another place to use. Is it also Instagram you can use? But I don't use Instagram, guys. I won't lie to you. Pinterest is the best for me. I even make money with Pinterest regarding to my digital products. I don't use other things. It's up to you whether you want to use Instagram for your mockups or you're going to use Pinterest. But that's me. I use Pinterest. I'm 100%. I even made $10,000 US dollars with Pinterest. You understand? Because it's something whereby people are looking for. It's a place whereby they're searching for these t-shirts. They're searching for these things. So try Pinterest. Okay, it's free of charge. Or you can try your social media if you have a following. But you know what? If you are a bit scared of doing the whole international thing, try those Wonderprint as well as Smashprint. I promise you, I'm going to write all the information here so you will know which one I'm talking about, guys. Now, guys, thank you so much for watching. I highly appreciate it. I'm going to be giving you a detailed video soon regarding to how to open up a Shopify store and therefore start making your millions today. Bye, guys, and check my links regarding to the description below. Bye.
Are you ready to host a podcast with me?
Let's go. Go check out our podcast every day at 6 p.m. on iHeartRadio and Spotify. We'll see you there.
Check out Let's Fix It by Edleen Motsamai podcast on iHeartRadio and Spotify.